Nag-call na ako ng food up. Hindi ko alam sa inyo.
Ako
Can you
nakikita.
scout, Lu? Blue scout, blue scout.
Wala pa.
40
Ay, ito
minutes
sila.
message.
Where? Ping! Where?
Dito. Harapan natin.
Ready. Clap sila, guys. Don't get choked. Ready, guys. Ready guard doon, ah. Ready guard doon. Ang may nandun. Oh! Careful, perma. You can engage.
Over the wall, ah.
Hindi, marap ka maning.
Okay, guys. Go northeast, guys. Go northeast. Defend. Okay, geek pass. Walking go. Geek pass. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yan. Okay. Walking. Okay, guys. Back. Go northeast. Go northeast. Back northeast. Go back northeast. Oh, go back northeast. Okay, sustain.
Push on, Terry.
Go sis. Go back northeast, guys. Clamping. Defensive. Oh my god. Okay, guys. Full back. Sorry.
Next time you pull push them. Naka-push na kanina. Dapat focus sila lang sa harapan. Come back, everyone.
Okay, sorry. Okay, regroup. Regroup.
You pull push kasi na-pressure na sila sa harapan. Ano lang, hindi lang nakapasok yung DPS masyado.
Okay, go middle, guys. May way ba pag middle dito? Hindi ko alam map na to eh.
Meron southeast.
Go middle. Let's go middle. Go southeast, guys. Don't fight them in the choke, guys. You're gonna get killed. Okay.
Ade ko yung other healer. Wait lang.
Just go southeast, guys. Go southeast. Let's go southeast. Let's go on the open. Let's go open. Come. Go southeast. Just go southeast. Walk
They
southeast.
moving, they following.
Yeah. Just walk southeast.
You can hold
Delay
here.
them. Yeah, delay them. Yeah, we go middle. Fuck this shit. I don't want to fight in the choke. Go middle. Careful, guys. You might get trapped around there. Okay, just go middle. They have perma, guys. They can also
Careful,
engage with perma. Careful, perma. They can engage with perma.
Pwede tayo mag-over the wall.
Yeah. Too late. Pwede yun? Okay.
Let's
Let's do that. Okay, just hold here. Okay. When they engage, we full push, okay? Just hold here. Let them engage first. Don't worry.
Engage, sige lang.
Let them engage.
Wala pa.
Just poke them. If you can QW, guys. If you can QW.
Two sides to.
Healer.
Yeah,
Mark Yura, skull.
wait lang. Oo nga pala, sorry, guys.
Bigyan mo yung that guy yan. Good.
Just QW, guys.
Gusto ko pasukin.
1D tank, check southwest. 1D tank go southwest. They might trap around. They might trap around. Can you fake corn? Can you fake? 3, 2. Okay. Okay, they stop. Come. On the crown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Push, guys. Push. Roll them. Geek pass. Okay, go back. Here to dip. They have cooldown. Yeah, they're looking. Okay. Careful. They're looking. Careful.
Flash sila doon.
Okay, come. Okay, walk in. Full push. On 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me. Big. Push. Wipe these fuckers, man. Go. Wipe these fuckers. Brawl and spread, guys. You can kill. Brawl and spread. Kill Toro, kill Toro, kill Toro.
Kill them.
Just roll, just roll. Brawl. Good shit, guys. Good shit. Come back. Come southeast, guys. Come southeast. Look at me. Come to me, guys. Okay, brawl inside, guys. Brawl inside. What the fuck? Come southeast. Southeast. They can engage there, guys. They can engage.
Push in. Broken sila man. Just push.
Okay, just walk in, guys. Walking. On 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Sige, push.
Okay, just push. They're wounded, guys. They're wounded. Just push. Push northwest. Push. Brawl the healers, guys. Brawl the healers. Okay, guys. Look at the crown. Engage inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Look at the crown. Okay. Good, guys.
Let's go.
Okay, guys. Walk southeast. Walk south. Brawl inside, guys. Brawl inside. Kill these fuckers. Okay, just brawl inside.
Ano daw?
Can I have a guard rune, guys? Can I have a fucking guard rune, please?
Push yun.
Full push, guys. Full push. They can't regroup. No GG rules, guys. Just push these fuckers, bro.
Just push them, guys.
Kill Yura. Kill caller, guys. Kill their caller.
Sucker, man.
Okay. Kill
Kill
the healer. Kill Dada.
Nice one.
Just kill him, man.
Tatak pag wala na kay mana.
Yeah.
Reserve mana.
Where's Flicker?
Ilan yung sa akin?
Kill. Okay. Caller dead, guys. Just brawl.
Next time,
Ayaw ba na mag-ano?
don't hesitate. Just full push when they're solo. Kaya they engage.
They're regrouping.
Yeah. Just wait.
Can go back in mid.
Go back middle, guys.
Nice.
I'll mark the druid call na lang para hindi kayo mahirapan. I guess. Oh my god, guys.
Yung passive nyo, gawin nyo na lang energy cost.
Wala tayong healer.
Sa akin, you full push. No fear. Just full push them when they engage.
Okay. Natatakot kasi ako pag nag-ano sila, na baka may cooldown.
Hindi, magaling mag-recall yung mga kasama natin.
Okay,
Updating nyo yung
guys.
brawlers.
Okay, I can trust you. Okay, I'll trust you. Okay,
Stop them.
Okay, defensive. Okay. Engage on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just push. Full push these fuckers, man. Kill healers on. Kill healers. Full push. Stun them. Here. Clamp.
Finish ulit.
Okay, they might. Okay, they're looking defensive. Heal me. Heal front. Okay. On the clamp. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, kill. Nice. Just push. Guys, push. Just push southeast. Push southeast. Put guard rune, guys. And guard rune, please.
Hold down.
Okay. Walk in. On 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kill. Big. Holy shit. Holy fucking shit. Full push, guys. Kill Lux. Healer. Kill. Okay, back. Don't come. Tower. Back, guys. Tower. Go back.
Wala kasama ko.
Go back. Guys, push southeast. Guys, go southeast. We're gonna get clapped there, guys. Go southeast. We regroup southeast. Just regroup southeast, guys. Regroup. We can hold here. Nice. Okay, they're engaging. Okay. On the crown in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the crown. Okay, full push again. Full push. Oh, just full push in this choke. On this choke only. Just choke only. Okay, go back a bit. Go back east a bit. Go back east a
I-kite
bit.
mo na,
Go back.
pabalik.
Kite east a bit. Kite east, guys. Kite east. They're gonna look. Ready your defensive. Okay. Okay. Ready. Left. Okay.
Bawi.
Engage on 5, 4, 3. Man sila. Go back, guys. Go back. Kill Yura. Kill their caller. Okay. Kite southeast. They're picking us off. They're backing into their fucking tower dyan.
Zay,
They're fucking
Zay,
to their...
kite mo pa. Zay. Huwag mo
Just
i-broad dyan.
kite more. Let's go back middle. We win in middle.
Lugi tayo dyan. Nagre-respawn yung mga yan. Nagre-respawn yung mga yan.
Okay, they're looking, guys. They engage, guys. Okay.
Wala.
Just kite is hold this choke, guys. Spread here. You can go down the stairs. Just hold this choke. Hold this choke. They need to engage on us. We don't. Hold this choke, guys. Hold this choke. Okay, stop them, D-tanks. Stop their DPS if they engage, okay? Prioritize that DPS, D-tanks. If they engage, just fucking hell yun with their... Baka Heal cogs. From heal cogs. They have to engage, guys. Remember, they have to engage. Just defensive. Heal cogs. Just heal cogs. Corn, can you fake? So they engage, please. Just fake. Okay? Okay, go back on. They defend. Okay. They defend. Okay, they engage. Okay, walk in. Heal corn. Walk in. Guard run. Giga. Look on me. Look around. He fucking back off again. Oh my god. Heal around. Okay,
Zay,
kill
ikite pa ng
inside
gitna.
in 5,
Dali mo ng gitna.
4, 3, 2, 1. Kill inside. Okay, they're gonna engage. Yura's engaging on you guys. Okay. Walk in. Kill these fuckers, bro. Kill. Okay, kite. Tower, guys. Kite. Come back.
Ang bakit nito, Zay? Ilayo mo na.
Just go mid, just...
Dali mo na dito, pre. Dali mo dito. Hindi natin mamawait lang.
Let's go mid, man. They're fighting in their tower, bro. Oh my god, please go back. Back southeast, go east. Go east. Full push east. Follow
Middle
me,
ba
follow
ulit?
me, guys.
Or full?
Yeah, let's go middle. We can't fight here. They're just coming back.
Babalik lang sila dun, man.
They're just fucking running to their towers. We can't kill them there. Let's just go mid.
Tamang
Let's
tayo ba
fight
na?
on our
Remember,
terms.
tamang
Let's just fight on our own terms. Fight in our own terms, guys. Don't worry, they have to come to us, guys. They have to engage or they lose. Remember that. They have to engage or they lose.
Zay, huwag mo palapit. Dito lang tayo. Huwag mo palapitin.
D-tanks, hold northeast. Hold here. They have to engage, guys.
Corn, you can pick corn. Hindi, pick.
One clerical, guys. One clerical is all it takes. We win this. Just look.
Yan, ganda
Okay,
na.
look. Okay. Gigapats and walking. Pats, go pats. Walk in, guys. Walk in. Go back a bit, guys. Let's kill the inside. Look at the crown. Corn, can you... Corn, engage in... Corn, do you have cooldown? Let's cooldown, Corn. Oh, they're engaging here. Okay. On the crown. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kill this all. Kill them all. Okay. Push in, mega push. No fear. Push. Kill them all. You don't have damage. Just push. Kill Yura.
Walang trade yard.
Kill Yura. Okay. Just kill Yura. Then we go mid again. We go mid again, guys. We go mid. Kill Toro. What? Okay, guys. Go back. Okay. They're looking. Defend. Big pots. Okay. Do I have damage? Okay, full back.
Pull back.
Damage is too far.
Ilooking
Full back.
again, ilooking again.
Yeah. Get out of the choke, guys. Just spread here. Get out of the choke. Go mid again, guys. It's our game plan. Go mid.
If
Okay.
okay. Sa bedrock, putang inang yan. Bantayan nyo kayo bedrock, lala.
Wala tayong guard rune, pre. Ang
Who has
hirap.
guard rune?
Pwedeng night helmet yun, di ba tatagos na night helmet yun?
Oo, pwede rin. Pop nyo net.
Just pop, guys. Kulang tayong guard. Night helmet. Sorry, guys. I'll
Night helmet,
adjust that later.
Pwede ako mag-stop ng Incubus. Garden ko.
Oh, mag-incubus ka pala. Mag-incubus ka. Putang ina ka.
Kailangan ka po, okay lang yan.
Okay. Walk up, guys. Walk up more. You're gonna get clapped here. Okay, they're kite clap, guys. They're kite clap. If we can spread, we win. We can spread, we win. Okay. Just stay here. They're in southeast, okay? Just chill. Okay, we have 8 minutes. Okay, they're looking. Okay, walk southeast.
No bedrock.
Okay. One bedrock.
No. They go back.
They're going back.
Wala.
Go. Kite southwest, guys. Kite southwest. They're gonna engage again. Watch the engage. They're gonna engage again.
Guys, yung caller nyo, nasa likod. Masyado kayo abante. Sa likod lang kayo ng caller.
Come here, guys. Kags, okay ka lang? RFK? Oh, never mind, okay. Just calm down. They have to engage. They're looking to engage, yes. They have to engage. You have to engage, yes.
Wala.
Okay, if we're walking in, guard run the choke. If we're going in,
Engage
okay.
mo kaya yung heal mo, Zard. Sa'yo.
Okay, sure.
Biglayin mo na dyan.
Okay, ready guys, ready. Look southeast, look out in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Bakit na?
Okay. Defend. Push. Just push. Fight. Nice, fight.
Tapos sa guard dun.
Kulang sa guard. Man. Okay, go back. Go back, full back. 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 Yura's looking, guys. Look at Yura. Oh, he failed. Walk in. He failed. Walk in. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kill.
Push, man. Wala na yan.
Full push. They have no defensive. Full push. Okay, they have engaged already. Ready, defend. Walk in again. Good demon, guys.
Baka naman.
Okay, walk.
Base
Fight.
nila.
On me.
Astag kami na silence
Good corn. Okay,
Baka naman, base na nila yan. Patay na
let's
nila.
back again, guys. Back again. Their colors dead. They're gonna full back. We don't get anything from here.
Ay, napatay ako sa
Just
demon.
full back. Good job. Good defensive. Okay, we go back middle again. Just rinse and repeat. It works.
Ba sila?
Yeah, they're club kite. Do you guys see kung may nagpi-fake sa kanila? Cause like, I only see Yura engaging.
Si Yura lang. Ayun po, Hammer.
Paul Hammer minsan engage sila.
Minsan, Paul.
Guys, go back here. Where are you guys?
Minsan kinocombo nila.
Go back
Paul
here.
Hammer, tapos
Go back here. Only D-Tanks can pick. Go behind me, DPS. Hey, Mosh! Go back. Just hide there. Hide. Inch up. Guys, inch up. Just inch up. Okay, look at me. Look color. Look at me. Southeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kill. Okay, good job, guys. Good delete. Okay. Defend. Walk in. Use Guardian. Good job. Careful choke. Yura can engage, guys. Okay, push. Push, 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 push. Defend, defend, defend. Push, 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 push. Good defense, you guys. Push, 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 pull, push, southwest. Just pull, push, just pull, push, pull, push, pull, push, pull, push, pull, push. Okay, inside, inside. Silence.
Ipapakul sa
Wala
harapan niya.
card.
Pakulo.
Roll papakal, roll papakal. They're gonna engage, they're gonna engage. Wait. Pull back guys, pull back, pull back. Pull back, just pull back, pull back.
Ready counter, ready counter. O, di siya. Ay. Oo. Guys, push me, 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 push me.
Push yan, push yan, push yan, push yan.
Push them. Oh, come back now. I-counter hold. Jello, take over, Jello.
Tell me si Deep, pull down. Tap
Engaging
sa...
sila, meron sila.
Ready down, ready down.
Pump your guard.
Ready, ready.
Engage lang, engage lang.
Defil.
Okay, I have engaged guys. Okay, I have engaged. Okay. Look at me, look. Okay. Look at me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Big. Nice. Kill inside.
Base na naman nila yan.
Go back a bit guys, go back a bit. They're kiting again. Okay. Left guys, left. Demon. Go back.
May napatay ako.
Go back. Go back. Guy man. Kill this guy. Go back.
Mark mo yung column.
Nakamark. Please mark. Go south, guard northeast. Go northeast. We go middle again. Just pull them from pull. They have 2 minutes. They have to engage. They have 2 minutes. They have to engage.
Mana guys.
Mana.
Okay, guys. Okay.
Drop nyo na lang, kahit saan. Kung nasan kayo.
Okay, go back more. You're gonna get caught.
down.
You're gonna get caught there, guys. Go back more. Okay, I'm gonna fake, guys, ha. Guard on me when I fake, okay? Guard on ready? Can you guard on? Tell me when you're ready. Okay, I'm gonna fake, okay? Okay, go back. On these two D-tanks, okay? Look at me, on my pull in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my god! Okay, go back.
Holy,
Guys, wag niyo yung
hindi
purity, guys.
ginagamit ng
Guys, don't
Hindi
purity.
ginagamit ng purity.
Guys, don't purity. Go back. They have to clump. They have to fight. They're desperate. Go fucking back. They're desperate, guys. They have to engage. They have 1 minute. Okay, watch for their engage, guys. They have to engage. Okay, guys. Counter. 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, push, guys. Just push. Push them.
Okay nyo na sa
Engage ko.
Yeah. Wipe them. Wipe. Heal front, guys. Heal front. Where's my healer? Heal front. They have another engage. They're preparing for another engage. Careful. There's their engage. Defend. Okay, full push. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, kill inside. Walking. Wipe. Only 30 seconds. Only 30 seconds, guys. Okay, go back again. Never mind. For fun, go. We go for fun. Ayan, let's go for fun. Heal in front. Engage in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kill.
Full push guys, full push.
Just kill them. Wipe them. GG's, they call GG's. GG.
GG.
Thank you guys. You guys are so fucking good, by the way.
55-21. Not bad.
Yung longbow, muntik ko mamatay.